Hello all, we have a setup here with Node MCU, Arduino Uno and MQ4 sensor which we are talking in our channel for some time now. So if you see what is common in this entire setup, you can see that a red LED that is there on Arduino Shield, and a red LED on MQ4 sensor, and red LED on PCF8574 I2C based GPIO expander. So there are red LEDs which are being used for power indication on these boards. So whenever you power up the board, the red LED blinks. So why red LED? Green mostly is used by guys for indication, right? Because green indicates positiveness, right? But why red LED is being used by these boards? If you see most of the eval boards, red LED is used. So the main reason for this is the green LED has a higher forward voltage and more power consumption than the red LED. And also if you want to use blue LED, it also has higher forward voltage and higher current uh, that is being drawn. So considering that scenario, if you see any eval board, they tend to prefer red LED because you don't want higher current consumption. That's the major criteria, right? So more than visual aspect here, the power consumption factor plays a role. That's why red LED is being used in all these boards.